What's up, Twin Cities Zine Fest? I'm Neva, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 6-page zine out of one piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So first we're going to fold it in half. It's a hot dog. Now we're going to unfold that and fold it in half like it's a book. Then we're going to fold it in half again. And unfold it. Now we are going to cut and make sure that you are always cutting on the folded side. So we're going to cut down this middle line and stop once we reach the very middle. This is what it should look like. We're going to fold it in half, set it up on the table. Now this is my favorite part. We're going to push it together and flatten it out. And there you have it, a 6-page zine.